welcome to our YouTube channel. It's me, your one and only friend around the world, Sweet Caroline. Let us be thankful and enjoy the rest of the day.
Hi guys, today we'll be having another unboxing. I bought this one from Lazada. It's because of a big sale. Okay. What is this? Guess what? Of course, it's an item that I have from use our hands to destroy the packaging. It's bubble wrap. Okay. Very good packaging. Very good seller because it's the official store. Okay. And here everything. Alright. What is this? Surprise! Here we go. Alright, this is the product from my favorite makeup store. That is the Fashion 21. And you got this original price if it's not sale when you go to the Fashion 21 store from the Watson, partly with SM. You will be having this item for about 170 to 180 pesos, and I just bought this one for 50 plus, I guess 50 something pesos. And of course, since I'm not yet awake the time that is being delivered, I asked Kuku to pay for me. Okay, what is this? This is a makeup fix organized. So once when you are using this one, you really need to, after you put your makeup, you will be just using this one to fix everything, to make sure that your makeup is fully coated all over your face. Most especially if you are using concealer. But in my case, I don't use concealer, but I use liquid foundation with vitamin E and sunscreen. Just protect my skin under the sun. Alright? I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much and congratulations to all of us. Happy holidays! I'll see you around.
Let us be kind and grateful. No matter how hard life is, our Heavenly Father will always be with us. May the love and peace be always with us. Just choose the right path of our lives because everything is already written in the stars. So, be positive, stay positive, and always keep the positive